What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about the scratch repair kit that I used about a year ago. I'm going to be talking about the results I got and, the results after a year. Now, initially, the results I got were actually really good, and I'm going to put a link to the video that I made about a year ago. I'm going to put that down in the description so you can check out the results then. The paint quality definitely went down, and why I say the quality went down is because around the area of the scratches I fixed, it made a lot of little tiny scratches because of the abrasion tool that you had to use to sand down the clear coat just a little bit. And I used the repair kit exactly how it said. So this right here is the results after a year. You can see all those little tiny scratches, which the scratches I initially tried to fix were all these ones right in here. They definitely came back out, but on top of the ones that came back out, you can see all these little tiny scratches that was left behind by that little abrasion tool. And honestly, if I would have known about this before getting the scratch repair kit, I really wouldn't have gotten it because that looks horrible. Now really all you have to do to fix all those little tiny scratches is wax the area. Like over here on my door, right here, all of this area right here was the same thing. You saw a lot of little scratches, which as you can see right here, there are no scratches at all because I already waxed it. But the scratch I tried to fix with that scratch repair kit, you can clearly see how it came back out, which is funny because when I first got the scratch repair kit, it actually really filled the scratch in right here really good. Which this right here, I don't know how that even popped up. I think somebody opened up their door or something on mine, or they hit my car with something. But like the trunk, it left all those little scratches, so all I did was wax this area and it got rid of all those little tiny scratches. So looking back, having the knowledge I have now about what the scratch repair kit would have done to my car, would I use it? And honestly, no, I would not buy that scratch repair kit again. I mean, it made my car look good there for a second. I mean, like I said, 6 or 7 months, it looked pretty decent. But after that, it's just the condition really deteriorated, and there's what you're left with. So if you're going to a car show or you're going to go trade your car in and something happens and you just need to fix something really small, hey, maybe this wouldn't be that bad for you. But if you want to get the best quality, just go ahead and paint it. It definitely costs more to paint it, but it's the correct way to do it. And on top of that, you are not left with that. And trust me, I followed every single instruction that the scratch repair kit said, so it's not anything that I did wrong. Like, I followed every instruction and I was left with all those scratches. But guys, that will be it for today's video. I just wanted to make this update video just so y'all know what y'all's paint quality will look like if you use the scratch repair kit after about a year. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.